Welcome to the 1-Minute Photography. In this video I will show you how to edit dark gray filter in Lightroom Classic. Let's start editing. First go to the basic. Exposure -0.70. Contrast +10. Highlights -40. +40 for shadows. Whites -50. And -15 for blacks. And done. Now go to the presence. +20 for clarity. Dehaze +40. Vibrance +17. And +3 for saturation. And done. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Then go to the color mix and first go to the red. Saturation +16. Luminance -10. Now go to the orange. -10 for both hue and saturation. And luminance +16. Then go to the yellow. Hue and saturation -100. Now go to the green. Saturation -100. Now go to the aqua. -100 for hue. And +3 for saturation. Next go to the blue. Hue -30. And saturation -53. Next bring saturation to -100 for purple and magenta. And done. Next go the color grading tool. Then go to the shadow. Hue 220 and saturation 10. Go to the highlights. Hue 210 and saturation 5. And done. Next go to the noise reduction. Luminance noise reduction 20 and 40 for color noise reduction. Now go to the effects. Vignette -36. Midpoint 77. And feather 80. And done. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your any photos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video.